Namaste everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So we are discussing about the agreements, memorandums and MOUs signed by the Ministry of Energy, Water Resources and Irrigations of Nepal. So we'll discuss about the Memorandum of Understanding MOUs between the Government of Nepal and Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh on the cooperation in the field of power sectors. So let us begin our a discussion with the article 1 first articles. So the memorandum of understanding will act as a framework of trading power between the Nepal and India at a mutual agreed upon the price and procedures. Both the countries agree to exchange the power as and when it is possible and feasible. Both the parties agreed to participate and promote the regional and sub-regional power sector cooperation in South Asia regional such as SARC, BIMSTEC, BBIN, etc. Article 2 talks about the parties shall enhance their cooperations in the field of the power, including the investment and development of the power generation project of mutual benefit. The furtherance thereof, the parties shall encourage and facilitate joint cooperation in first to develop the power generation project, especially hydropower project development, transmission, energy efficiency, and the development of various types of renewable energy. Number B, to provide the consultancy service, training, seminars, workshops, research and development programs for the development of human resources and enhancement of productivity and efficiency in the power sector. Number C, to encourage and support the cooperation between the public and the private sector entities of two countries in the field of power generation, transmission, distributions, energy efficiency, development of hydropower projects, investments, design, construction, installations, commissionings, operation and production in both the countries. Number D, to support and facilitate joint ventures investment in the power project between the two countries subjected to their existing policies and legislations. Number E, to facilitate and assist public and private sector entities for the successful implementation of the power project. Number F, to exchange of the visit by the power sector professionals to each other plants, institution and infrastructure. Article 3 talks about both the parties will take the necessary steps to establish the adequate national and regional grid connectivity to explore the power trading between the two countries. Article 4 talk about the parties shall set up the joint working group co-chaired by the Joint Secretary of Ministry of Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation of Nepal and Joint Secretary of Power Division, Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources of Bangladesh to promote and facilitate cooperation in the areas identified under the MOA. A joint steering committee co-chaired by the Energy Secretary of Government of Nepal and Power Secretary of Government of Bangladesh will be constituted to review the progress of joint working group. The joint working group and joint steering committee will meet back to back at least once a year, alternately in Kathmandu and Dhaka. Article 5 talks about this non-binding MOU shall not in any way affect the obligation of the parties under existing the bilateral agreements between the two countries. Article 6 talks about cooperation under the MOUs will be in accordance with the law and regulation of the respective countries. Any question and dispute arising related to the MOUs during these terms will be settled amicably by the parties through mutual consultance with each other. Article 7 talks about this MOU shall enter into the force upon the signature of and shall remain in the force in the period of 5 years and shall be automatically renewed after an quinquennial basis unless the either party gives other party a written notice of 3 months in advance in advance of its intention to terminate the MOUs. So amendment to these MOUs may be made anytime by the mutual consent of the parties. So this is the agreement which was signed by on the behalf of government of Nepal and the behalf of government of Bangladesh. So you can see here. So thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Jai Nepal.